Hello and welcome to your last week. I have a special gift for you because you're all going to be graduating soon and I'm going to miss you all. So let's see, I'm going to go to that now, share my screen. Let's see. This is what I want to give you. Now, the links will be in the announcement for all of these resources, but it's one of my favorite books in the EdTech books.org repository. These are all open source books. So this one just has some great articles that I think might help you if you're looking at other domains that you might want to go into, or just looking to see what there is that exists now that has been researched. But one of the best articles in here is this one, creating an intentional web presence. It goes with your assignment this week to create your website portfolio. But this article has a lot more, and it will help you to develop your career and to really position yourself. It talks about your digital footprint. We know how important it is to create intentional web presence. Here's the continuum of intentional web presence. You can see where you're at on this and have maybe a goal to work toward. But there's just some really good information here, including what to put on your resume or your portfolio. Really good information. There's some examples here I'd like to share with you. This one is Connie Melamed, and just really good. These are all leaders in the field of instructional design. This one, oh, I really like this. When you first come into it, this might give you some ideas on you were talking about quantifying your competencies and things. He's got it quantified as how many courses he's developed, how many years he's been in the field, and awards. So I thought that was kind of neat. Jackie Vance, this is stellar. She's exemplary instructional design technologist. And here's her portfolio section. She's got it all divisioned off, and you see a lot of good articles that might interest you. Just to be able to see some examples of what the real instructional designers are doing out there. These are very successful ones that are active in a lot of the professional organizations for instructional design. So there's also in this article, there are different links for different professional learning communities you can join and groups. There's also some of the leadership in our ed tech on Twitter. And one of my favorite is this one. I followed her for years. I saw her at a conference, Cool Cat teacher, Vicki Davis, and she was at ISTE recently. You can see her post if you go to her, no longer Twitter, but X feed. But really good information. She gives a lot of really good information that you can use in your classes. So I just wanted to offer this up. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Just good resources. Oh yeah, here's some more links for you. And I will leave the main link to this. Oh, and SEO. Have you thought about that? I hope you're developing a blog and putting all of your research articles in that. You may even want to go back and get some of your better work and, put those in there and try to keep it up to date. And you're just launching your career. So I'm very excited for you. And it's just been a real privilege to work with you. The couple of semesters I got to, and to see your projects develop. Excellent work. Keep up the excellent work. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out, and congratulations.